synthetic slings are lightweight and made with synthetic fibers, which are just as strong, if not stronger, than steel wire rope of the same size. Proper care is required in order to extend the life of your slings, and it's important to take note that there are certain limitations in their use. Corrective measures can be taken in some cases to fix a minor issue, but if the damage is past the point of repair, the sling must be retired and replaced completely. In order to safely use this product, operators must be familiar with standard rigging procedures and inspect them before each use to avoid property damage, personal injury, and even death. If you notice a slightly fuzzy look or color fading, but everything else appears normal, this indicates regular wear on the sling. Just continue to track the progression. Compression is when there's a certain area on the sling that is stiff and has a visible sheen to it. Try bending the rope back and forth to remove that stiffness. This is a pulled strand, and it occurs when the sling is caught or snagged on something. This can be fixed by carefully working it back into the braid. Discoloration is a key sign that the sling has been subject to chemical contamination. This will cause the fibers to fuse and bond together, making them brittle and weak. If this occurs, do not use the sling. If the sling has been exposed to high temperatures that exceed 158 degrees Fahrenheit, this will cause the fibers to fuse and melt together, causing it to be very stiff. You cannot safely use the sling in this condition because you need it to be flexible under pressure. Inconsistent diameter happens when there are broken or pulled internal strands. The sling will appear as though it has been pulled tight in one area and gathered in another. These bumps or dips can be the result of shock loading, and this is a sign that you should retire the sling. Volume reduction occurs when you have used a sling frequently involving sharp or abrasive objects. You might notice that the diameter of the rope has been reduced over time. This is another sign that you should retire the sling. Synthetic slings will make your everyday work routine easier and safer. Get one today and see for yourself. Buy now at zips.com.